Hi guys, welcome to Gloria's Platter. Today we are unboxing a crossbody shoulder bag. When the company Lat Map approached me to do a review video, I was happy. When I checked their link, this crossbody bag has a lot of zippers. I like to have a lot of compartments with zippers. So I'm really excited to make a video and share with you how I like it and why I like it. So please check the description box for the purchase link. As you can see, it is pretty lightweight and there is a lot of space for storage. And this is the right color too. Even in the back, you can have something in it, maybe like a hand lotion. This is the perfect size, not too big, not too small, just right. You can adjust the shoulder strap to the left or right side of the bag, whichever way you want to carry it. And look at the shoulder strap, pretty sleek, huh? Keep watching to see how I will organize my bag. This I will be using every day for work and for shopping. Now look, there is a key holder. This is going to be my go-to bag. Put a lot of things. I mean, look for the size. I have had this bag for over 10 days and this is my new bestie. Honestly, I love it. Let's see if I can put my phone in the smaller area or if I need the bigger area. I think this should be it. So when you use the zipper, it is safe. I will put my hand sanitizer and maybe a lipstick in here. And of course, my business card for Gloria's Platter. Have you subscribed? There are some secret compartments and a little zipper inside. In goes my sunglasses and my keys for work. All my friends and also co-workers have been asking where I got this bag from because they all love it. So please check the description box and I hope you buy this. There goes my wallet. This is the hole for earphones. I don't use earphones. I actually have AirPods, but if I can find an older one, I will show you how it goes through, okay? This is so cool. You can have your house keys in the front of the bag so you don't have to open so many zippers wondering, oh, where did I put my keys? And this strap is adjustable. From 24 inches to 48 inches, which is pretty good. You can carry it in such a way it could be way low. I'm already planning on giving gifts to people I love. So this would be a great gift for any special occasion, be it Christmas, birthdays, or Mother's Day, which is coming up, anniversary, or anything, you know. So this is a perfect size and hands-free bag, and the dimension of this sling bag is 7.5 by 4.5 and the height is 11.5. And the material is waterproof and quite durable. I think this is how the earphones go. So now it's connected. You can listen to your favorite music or your favorite channel like Gloria's Platter. Listen to some of the podcasts or listen to a recipe on the go or listen to a vlog. What do you like to put in this bag? Do you carry a mirror? Do you carry tissues? Write that in the comments. What else do you like to add in here? This is pretty lightweight. It's spacious. I hope you will check the description box and hit the purchase link. Invest in one of these bags or buy it for your loved one. I love it. I give this 10 out of 10 rating. Honestly, this is my bestie. You can carry this when you are shopping, when you are cycling or traveling or running or camping, for hiking, sightseeing, to the beach or any other outdoor activity. It will be so ideal. You can carry this as a backpack too, you know, but my favorite way is just covering my tummy, covering my big tummy. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. I'll give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share this. Bye for now.